Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Magic Moose 9, and today we're gonna be playing a bit of Wizards, and I'm all by myself, cause I don't know where my man Fizzy and Tomahawk Kid are. Looks like we have a Titan in the lobby. That's kind of cool. Anyways, let's get right into it. Okay, we'll do this lobby because I can actually select my class. Rawr. Okay, let's do this. Alright, well, this is actually a pretty good lobby to join. Okay, I'm hoping we don't have to that nobody's gonna PvP me with their wand, because that's just so annoying. I really hate it. Wither Isle. Oh, yeah, okay. This is the same map for Wizards. That's probably why it's called Wither Isle. I cannot talk today. Oh, okay, let's get started. Okay, please have Gust. Okay, good. If this guy tries to PvP me, I'm just gonna gust him right off the edge. Come on, bud. Come on here, bud. Come on, bud. Hey, bud, no. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, yeah, you didn't take that. That's a mistake. Now he's running. Why you have to be mid? Okay, put on my armor. Get another spell. Whoa, bro. Whoa, bro. Bro, whoa, whoa. Ah. Okay, come at me, bro. Bloop. Got him. Oh, God. Oh, whoa, bro. Not cool. Not cool, man. Not cool, bro, man, fan. Ow, what was that for? Boom. Bro, stop it. Don't touch me. Okay, where is he? Did he quit? What? Oh, he's over there. Okay, where is he? Come on, maybe we can catch him in surprise and gust him off the edge. Hi, bud. Bye, bud. The joys of gusting people off the edge when they're not expecting it. It's just so fun. So fun. Ooh, a leather cap. It's like a baseball cap. I'm a Giants fan. Ooh, cool, another spell wand. What are we gonna put on it? Let's see if we can get any good spells. I mean, not that we don't have any good spells, but some better spells. That's the word. Better. Bum bum bada bum bum bada bum bum bada bum bum. Alright, let's do this. Wow, okay, cool, another spell wand. Mana-Bolt's not that bad, but it's not that good either. I mean, if you have a high level, but... Oh, okay. Sir, you must stay away from... Okay, you know what? Whee! Oh, God. I think all of my kills this game have been by Gust. I'm pretty sure. Man, we're actually not too bad on armor. The only thing that we're bad on is spells, so... Ah, double chest. Those usually have good spells in them, except I didn't loot it. Okay, there's a big battle going on over there. I'm just kind of going to leave them be. Oh, he's coming. Okay. Let's do this. Where is he? Where is he? I don't see him. Where'd he go? I don't know. Okay, let's just hope he's going to leave us alone. We're just a little moose. We're grazing the grass. Nothing going on here. Why can't... Okay, I couldn't walk for a second. That was kind of weird. Why is there... Who puts these chests in the roof? Oh, yay. Okay, nobody else is going to have that wand, but at least I have another 3rd tier spell, so that's good. Alright, heal if somebody starts punching me. We could be the full butter warrior or gold warrior. I don't really care. Nah, I think we'll... Okay, cool. I bet my better rainbow beam. Why is there so many spell wands that I don't? Okay, there's somebody over there. Let's go get him. I'm just gonna use my Gust. Let's try to go for an all Gust game. The winds are strong with me. Okay. Hello. Maybe. Oh, I could use a wizard's compass. That's what I could do. Okay. Says he's this way. But where? Now where? Oh. Hi, friend. Dang it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, shoot. Okay. Ouch. Ouch. Does he know not to come around? Where is he? Oh, God. Oh, God. That's so mean. That is so mean. Oh, God. Oh, look, he even said it. I knew it. I knew it. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this round of Wizards. If you liked, make sure you like and subscribe. And so, yeah, see you guys.